Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can create and customize a timesheet reminder for your space on Wrike. So let us guide you through this. So head over to your Wrike account, click into timesheets here, and after that guys, switch from the My Timesheet tab to the Reminders tab. And if you're the admin of the given account and of the given space inside your account, you can create reminders for submitted tasks and timesheets. For example, by clicking into this button. Then what you want to do is select the repetition or frequency here for the given reminder, weekly, daily, monthly, or on specific days. I would leave it at weekly because timesheets are usually submitted within the given team per week. And then you may set also the day. Let me go with Monday, time of the day, noon, and then you may add people or groups to this list. So let me go with the entire team, but you can also go with users. And a reminder message. As you can see, this one is marked with a star icon, which means it is a mandatory field, like this one here as well. So you can customize the text here. Please don't forget to submit your timesheet for the given time period or week, project, task, and so on and so forth. Click into create. Confirm, and that is going to create the reminder for the timesheet that are submitted within your team or the users who have added to the reminder. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.